Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about systeme.io and one strategy you can utilize to make money with this, how you can to make money on this platform. So make sure you are still till the very end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. And now let's jump right into this video. So systeme.io is it's a great tool, right? You have a lot of features and tools on this platform, all in one for a marketing platform. Here we can create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses. So I've ever seen such a great that you can actually start on your blog, sell your own products, sell their affiliate programs, and offer your own all on a free tier. If you're a affiliate marketer, there is no reason you shouldn't be. Okay, so that's really, really great. Create online course, automate your. Now, why I'm telling you this is because, um, as you can see, there's many different ways you can use System.io to make money. But a great way, I think, is to actually start using their affiliate program. So if you scroll all the way down here to become an affiliate, you can become an affiliate and earn a 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase systeme.io subscription or course. Open and simple rules, strong affiliate tracking. Anyone can be an affiliate, don't need to be a systeme.io customer. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. How to send get started as an affiliate. Step number 1, read your short guides and everything you need to know about systeme.io. You should read this guide as well. What is systeme.io? It's really important to know what system, what's the product. Yeah. So what can you do with systeme.io? Build sales funnel, run affiliate program, automate your marketing. So this is great. And read info page about systeme.io. Affiliate program works. Branding page. Check out branding page. Now we just have to click now on this. You should also read this free ebook. It's pretty good. And also you can read this, how to write copy sells the sales. Also read this book, this free ebook, and this one as well. So just why I'm encouraging you to read all the ebooks and pretty much to understand the platform is that you're pretty much an affiliate promoting this product. So if you're trying to promote this product, but you don't really even know what you're promoting, I think that's not a good idea. So make sure you know what you're promoting, make sure you really understand the product, use it, use systeme.io, just play with it, just try all the features. And now, after you're doing that, make sure you click here, enter your email, and join and start. You can do it right now. You can join and create your create your account and join their affiliate program, and then just try to use systeme.io and understand it. All right, now here I'll enter my email and then I'll sign in. Then they'll send you an email, and then that's way you can join their affiliate program. Once you enter your email, they'll send you an email. All right, but I already have an account, so I'll just sign in my account. So I logged into my account, and this is the dashboard. And here, if I hover over a dashboard, here I can see affiliate dashboard. And here I can see promote systeme.io, earn 60% lifetime commissions. So now the strategy, what you can do to make money with this affiliate program is to, I believe it's a great option to actually start a YouTube channel. And I just showed you before what you can do on this platform. You can create funnels, you can create a funnel, email, contacts, so many things that you can do here. And now is you can create tutorials about systeme.io. You can create a tutorial about business related content. You just have to think yourself. Sorry, I'm like breathing heavily because I just did some push-ups. Um, so you just think to yourself, a business would need this software. So by you creating these types of tutorials, then in those tutorials, you can mention systeme.io, and you can say you can join systeme, you can register, you can create an account systeme.io through my affiliate link, and this is my affiliate link, and I'll get 60%, and will really help my YouTube channel. So I really appreciate if you want to try this, and you can enumerate some of the features, and that way you can create content about business content. At the same time, you can promote systeme.io, And other things here that you can do that's really interesting is like marketplace offers, free training on how to make 11K in 7 days with systeme.io. And what's funny about this is that I've seen a lot of, you can also start to write articles on Medium about systeme.io, and you can write about, as I said, business related content, systeme.io tutorials, how to make money on systeme.io, and then you can just promote this offer, right? See, view vendor, promote offer, you see affiliate programs, more affiliate programs. All right. And getting success. So I'll do interesting. So yep, it's as I said, you can also write articles on Medium, or just create your own website if you don't want to use Medium, and write articles. And this is just strategy, but that's in theory. What you have to do right now is just actually start doing this. It's gonna take time to see any results. Pretty much with anything in life. If you put in the work, then you won't see any results. If you don't work, then you won't see results, because it takes time with YouTube to see any views, for your videos to rank, for your videos to get views. It takes time, and you need to learn a lot of skills. There's a learning curve. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Starting a YouTube channel is not easy. Starting a blog is not easy, but there's a learning curve. But if you start and you're committed to learn and you're determined to learn, then you'll see results. So don't get the wrong mindset here. You need to have the right expectations, because there's a lot of people saying, affiliate marketing is so easy. This is so easy. It takes time, and it's important to have the right expectations. Otherwise, you'll feel down. You feel down, all right? Otherwise, you'll feel down, because you get to a point when you work hard, you won't see results because someone told you on TikTok you can make 10K in 10 days with affiliate marketing. All right, you need to have the right expectation. I don't want to give you false hope. This is a strategy, yes. Create content around this, related to this platform. Create content, and then you can mention people that if they want to try systeme.io, they can do it through your affiliate link, and pretty much just promoting this platform. And you can do this on a website if you like to write, and you can learn a lot of skills. You can learn to write, but it takes time and it's not easy. But throughout this journey, throughout the time you work on your website, you work on your YouTube channel, you learn a lot of skills. You start a website, you learn to write better. You learn to rank your articles. You learn to do keyword research. You learn to affiliate marketing more, because there's a lot of things you need to learn, and it's not easy. So I really hope you found my video helpful. Leave your feedback down below. I'll really appreciate to read your feedback. And dislike this video, like this video if you found it helpful, dislike it if you didn't like it, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And I really hope you found my video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.